If you're new to the gym, or even if you've been lifting for a while, avoiding beginner mistakes can save you months of wasted time. And before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe. It genuinely helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is walking into the gym without a plan. You move from machine to machine, pick random exercises, or copy someone else's workout, and that leads to slow, inconsistent progress. If you're not sure what your plan should be, you can literally Google beginner workout routines to get started. And if you want something personalized, apps like PumpPal can build a plan for you based on your goals. Whatever plan you choose, make sure you're hitting every major muscle group at least twice per week. That's where real progress begins. A classic beginner mistake is lifting too heavy too soon. Even if your muscles can move the weight, your joints and connective tissues might not be ready yet. That's why starting small, even smaller than you think, is actually smarter. It protects your joints, helps you build perfect form, and prevents injuries that could set you back for months. It's easy to look around and copy the biggest or strongest person in the room, but you don't know their experience level, routine, diet, or even genetics. What works for them may not work for you. A warm-up isn't optional. It prepares your muscles, lubricates your joints, and improves your strength for the workout. A simple 3 to 5 minute warm-up can make every set feel smoother and safer. Nutrition is another big roadblock. Many beginners undereat because they're afraid of gaining fat, or they overeat because they think they're bulking. Your diet needs to match your goal, muscle gain or fat loss. But don't overthink it to the point where you can't stick with it. Start simple. Replace the things you already know are bad. Soda, candy, donuts, fast food every day. Small changes stack up fast. This one quietly ruins progress. If you don't track your workouts, you have no idea whether you're getting stronger. And without progression, your body has no reason to grow. Always try to make each workout just a little more difficult. That could mean 1 extra rep, 5 more pounds, or shorter rest periods. Even taking a 30-second break and doing another set can push you forward. Beginners often think more exercises equals better results. But doing 10-15 movements per workout just spreads your energy thin and slows your progress. People naturally avoid the exercises that feel awkward or difficult, but those are usually the ones that build the most strength and muscle. If a lift feels uncomfortable because it's new, that's normal. If it feels painful, that's when to fix form or lighten the weight. Another huge beginner mistake: skipping leg day. Beginners avoid it because leg training is tough, but here's the truth: your legs are half your body. Building strong legs increases overall strength, improves athleticism, and helps you burn more fat because more muscle means more calorie burn. And leg training triggers a larger hormonal response, including more natural testosterone, compared to most upper body exercises. This is where most beginners fall off. They train hard for 2 weeks, skip the next 2, and wonder why nothing changed. Consistency is the real secret. Not perfection, consistency. And finally, expecting instant results. Muscle, strength, and confidence take time. Most beginners quit right before things start working. If you avoid these mistakes, your progress will explode faster than you think. Stay consistent, train smart, and track everything so you can actually see improvement. And if you want an easy way to track your workouts, build plans, log progress photos, or track your body measurements, check out PumpPal in the description. And before you head out, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.